Here's Pip, the little rocket. Where are we going today? Today, we are diving deep under the sea. Count with me. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Go, Pip, go. Up over the sandy beach. And now, dive, dive, dive. Splash. In we go. Bubbles everywhere. We are under the sea. Oh, what's down here? Look, a coral reef. Tiny little animals built this whole reef all by themselves. Hello, little fish. What lovely colors. Deeper we go. Down, down. Who's this? Bobbing along? A seahorse. Seahorse daddies carry their babies. Look, here they come. Look at the tiny babies. Hello, little ones. Down, down, down we swim. Oh, who's this round little fish? A pufferfish. Watch him puff up like a balloon. Big and round and bouncy. Can you puff your cheeks up too? Whoosh! Where next, Pip? Look, jellyfish floating like little umbrellas. Jellyfish have no bones at all, not one. They just drift and float so gently. Oh, it's getting dark down here, deeper than deep. Hold on tight. What's the little light in the dark? An anglerfish. She makes her very own light, like a little lamp right on her head. Hello, you are not scary at all. Back up we go. Up, up, up. Oh my, look how big! A whale shark, the biggest fish in the whole sea. See the little fish swimming along beside her? So big and so gentle. Bubble rings, watch them grow. Round and round, pop. Whee! Again, Pip. Pop, pop. What a fun game. Up, up, and splash. Back into the sky. Look, big shooting stars whooshing by. Close your eyes and make a wish. Shh. Did you make one? Where did the Twinkle go? Peekaboo! There she is. The sea is quiet now, and the moon is coming out. Sleepy little waves rocking up and down. Down, down, almost home. Touchdown. Well done, Pip. Bye-bye, Pip. See you next time.